So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure that Steam is fully closed. Now to do that, in the bottom right of our taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. Now you want to find Steam. You want to right click on it, and then click on Exit Steam, which will now fully shut down Steam. Make sure that Steam is fully closed. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in date and time settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. If for some reason you cannot sync your date and time, then you just want to restart your computer, come back into Windows and then sync it again. Now that we synced our date and time, for the last step we can now open up Steam again and then the problem should be fixed.